Hello everyone, I'm Professor Kalpana Somwar, an assistant professor at AISMS IOIT in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. In this video, you will learn what is SQL, what is MySQL, different types, different features of MySQL. Also, you will learn different data types of MySQL. So let us start. I am going to share my screen. See here, Introduction to SQL. SQL is a special purpose language designed to work with relational databases. It helps users store, retrieve, modify, and manage data in an organized manner. SQL is widely accepted as the standard language for relational database systems and is supported by popular database software such as Oracle, MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, MyAccess, MS Access, Infomix, and Sybase. In other words, SQL provides a common way to interact with different database systems to handle data efficiently and accurately. You all are aware, like if you are going to do in perform any coding, then you should be aware of any of the programming language. So here to deal with the database, you should be aware of the structured query language because that is used to communicate with the database. What are the characteristics of SQL? SQL is easy to learn. SQL is used to access data from relational database management systems. SQL can execute queries against the database. SQL is used to describe the data. SQL is used to define the data in the database and manipulate it when needed. SQL is used to create and drop the database and table. SQL is used to create a view, store procedure, function in a database. SQL allows users to set permissions on tables, procedures, and views. What is MySQL? MySQL is a fast, easy to use relational database. It is currently the most popular open source database. It is very commonly used in conjunction with PHP scripts to create powerful and dynamic server-side applications. MySQL is used for many small and big businesses. It is developed, marketed, and supported by MySQL, a Swedish company. It is written in C and C++. Why MySQL is popular? MySQL is an open source database, so you don't have to pay a single penny to use it. MySQL is very powerful program, so it can handle a large set of functionality of the most expensive and powerful database packages. MySQL is customizable because it is an open source database, and the open source GPL license facilitates programmers to modify the SQL software according to their own specific environment. It is quicker than other databases, so it can work well even with a large data set. It supports many operating systems with many languages like PHP, Perl, C, C++, Java, etc. MySQL uses a standard form of the well-known SQL data language. MySQL is very friendly with PHP. MySQL supports large databases up to 50 million rows or more in a table. The default file size limit for a table is 4 GB. What is the different features? RDBMS, easy to use, it is secure. Client server architecture means what MySQL follows the client server. There is a database server and there will be many clients which communicate with the server. It is free to download. It is scalable. Means even though the default size, MySQL can handle almost any amount of data up to 50 million rows or more. The default size is 4 GB. Compatible on many operating systems like Windows, Linux, many varieties of Unix as well. Allows rollback. MySQL allows transaction to be rolled back, commit and crash recovery. That means even though the transaction has performed and some error or something has occurred while the transaction is getting performed, that time there is a facility, there is a feature of MySQL to roll back that transaction or commit the changes. Once you commit, then the changes will be saved permanently. High performance MySQL is faster, more reliable, and cheaper because it's unique storage engine architecture. MySQL supports a large number of embedded applications, which makes MySQL very flexible. High productivity. MySQL uses triggers, stored procedures, and rules which allows the developer to give a higher productivity. Disadvantages: MySQL version less than doesn't support role, commit, and store procedure. Like while installing, we have seen if it the latest version we were installing, if it would be below 5.0, then the TCL statements, rollback, commit, and that will not be supported by this version. MySQL doesn't support very large database size as efficiently. It doesn't handle transactions very efficiently, and it is prone to data corruption. MySQL is accused that it doesn't have a good developing and debugging tool compared to paid databases, and MySQL doesn't support SQL checklist. These are the disadvantages. There are different data types of MySQL: numeric, date and time data type, string data type, and this large object data types. So let us say one by one. In the numeric data type, most often for the numeric data that is most often used is integer, int we say. A normal sized integer that can be signed or unsigned. If signed, the range is from this 214748236648 to 2147483647. It is minus over here. That is had the last of the first line. Tiny int, a very small integer that can be signed or unsigned. If signed, the range is from -28 to 128. A small int, the range is -32,768 to 32,767. Medium int, a medium-sized integer that can be signed or unsigned. Big int, a large integer that can be signed or unsigned. Float, in the floating point number that cannot be unsigned, you can define the display length m and the number of decimals. So that means before decimals, how many numbers you want, and then after decimals, the number of decimals also you need to say here. When you are, even though you will not, then by default, whatever is the number that will be taken. The double precision floating point number that cannot be unsigned can define the display length m and the number of decimals. Decimal and unpacked floating point number that cannot be unsigned. Defining the display length and the number of decimals is required for the decimal as well. So this is relative. Most often used is what we will be using is float, int, tiny int, small int. Next data type is date and time data type. So here you can see maximum size and displayed as YYY, DD, that is date data type. Date time displayed as when you define for any particular field date time, then that will be displayed as YYYY, DD, and then this hours, minutes, and seconds. Timestamp also it will be displayed same like a date time only, displayed as YYY, DD, time when it is you will give the time as the data type for any field, then it will be give hours, minutes, and seconds. Year, if it is default is year value is as 2 digits or 4 digits. Default is 4 digits. This is related to data type. Now the third is that is string data type. The most often we will be using is char varchar. So char maximum size is 250 characters, and varchar size also maximum size is 250. Tiny text also the same. Only the difference between char and varchar is when the char is defined, then that time the memory allocation will be done to particular whatever the size is defined. But when you are using varchar and you will give the value of any character, that much size will be allocated in the memory. Next is text, medium text, long text, binary, var binary. And these are the very least less often we use it. Large object data types, that is tiny blob, maximum size of 250 bytes. Blob, maximum size is this 65 by 35. Medium blob and long text, that is the 4 GB or these many characters. So thank you, students. In this video, what you will learn is what is SQL, different features, advantages of MySQL, and different types of MySQL data types. Thank you.